Hello, good morning. Morning. Morning, everybody. In our roll, so this could be rolling into a ball, so I don't know if you all want to have a little try. Hopefully there's enough Play-Doh in the packs for you both. I'm sure you'll be able to split it in half and have enough for you and your child. So first one is going to be roll, so that's for the ball. Fantastic, you're all really good at this. The other roll we're going to do is a sausage, so it's going to go the other way and we're going to make kind of like a little sausage shape, and obviously the more we roll the longer it gets. Fantastic. I'm just going to roll mine back up into a ball. Lovely, Joe. The other one we're going to use is squeeze, so in the palm of our hands we're just going to squeeze as tight as we can. Fantastic, well done everybody. I'm going to roll it back into a ball again, warming up ready for our singing. Going to be fab. The next one we may use is pinch, so with our pincer finger we're going to do some pinching. Oh, fantastic. I love all the smiley faces this morning. I think Doe's a good one. Yeah, I can see. So Sarah, here roll out Play-Doh. Oh, twinkle, squeeze. Star, how I wonder what you other hand, everybody, squeeze. Above the world so high, like a roll a sausage. In the sky. Twinkle, fantastic. Now pinch. Star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, well done, everybody. We're going to do a bit of warming up, and we're going to open and close our hands. The hands. Fantastic, and a bit of twisting. Next hand. And now we're going to do a pinch. Take your pinch. Well done. If you're happy and you know it, take a pinch. We're going to squeeze and roll. Squeeze and roll. Squeeze and roll. Well done. Splat it flat. Splat it flat. Well done, everybody. Happy and you know it. Splat it flat. You're gonna squeeze, pinch, roll, splat. Squeeze and pinch, roll and splat. Well done. Here, with your ball, have a little warm up, side to side. Then you're going to pat it flat. Ready with your spiders. spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun, dried up all the rain. Wincy, wincy spider climbed up the spout again. Oh, fantastic, everybody. Different hands, side to side. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, everybody.